I'm good.
Yeah, you've been busy since you've been here.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of battles, and I've been doing the movie Step Up 3D.
Yeah, I know you did the movie. How was that to be in the movie?
It was good.
Yeah.
I got to meet a lot of dancers, too.
Yeah, that's great to be around. And then you learn from all those people all the time, right?
Yeah.
And so you're going to dance for us, and then I want to talk to you about this record you're going for, because that's pretty cool, all right?
Yeah, okay.
All right, go ahead. That section of the floor for a while, so that's a lot. You're trying to break a world record for, what are they called?
Air flares.
Air flares. Show people what we're talking about real quick. You look exhausted. Should I wait for you to catch your breath? Oh, you're 9. Go ahead. So you want to do 65 of those in a row. You're really, really talented, and you just keep getting, every time I see you, you get better and better. I have a little gift for you. First of all, I have a little outfit for you that has your name on it, and you can wear that when you battle from now on. All right? Because I have my name on, I want to have a piece of this too. So, and I have something else for you. Where's the other gift?